Hey yo guys, what's good? If you're new to the channel, then welcome. If you're not, then welcome back. The video that we're checking out is Zomedica. All right, let me scroll up. You're gonna see by my guy Ahmed, Zomedica. Apparently there's a big update that's going on. Best penny stock ever to buy, like right now. So we want to check out and see what's going on. And I'm assuming he's going to be giving also his price prediction at the end. So first of a time on his channel, be sure to like the video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So let's zoom out. Let's back in. Let's go.
For an update on Zomedica.
By the way, this video was recommended to me, so thank you guys.
All you bears out there watching this video on Zomedica, please get out. There's no room for you around here because, guys, for all those people who slept on Zomedica, right now it is our time to shine. I can't even speak because how excited I am.
He's too excited.
I want to say, guys, thank you so much for getting us to pretty much 9,000 subscribers. We are steadily growing at a pace that surpassed all my expectations. So I want to say thank you to every single one of you, especially those in the Discord. It's really becoming a wonderful community in there. Very kind. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so he's getting into it. Let's go. That's what we're here for. We're waiting for.
From the CEO. I highlighted it for the things that I thought that were pretty important, but let's go ahead and see. So today, the CEO issued a shareholder letter as Trueforma nears commercialization.
Okay,
again,
sick.
That's just kind of the header here. So a lot of you who are shareholders probably already seen this because, again, they shared it on their website. So for all of you who are keeping an eye on Zomedica, maybe you haven't started a position because you've been skeptical, this might be able to answer some of your questions.
So let's hope that's the case. We haven't yet. We have no position of Zomedica, so this is really important to us. If you do have, I guess you've read this, but if not, now's the time to listen, perhaps.
So first and foremost, so as a result of recent increase in the price of our common shares over the last several weeks, this is what Zomedica's CEO is saying, investors have been exercising their warrants that have been outstanding, which has resulted in Zomedica receiving $40 million of additional cash.
Oh my God!
Through January 15th, 2021.
That's a lot of money, can't lie.
Guys, is huge.
Yes, it is.
The additional infusion of cash further enhances our already very healthy balance sheet, which he stated. Our cash and cash equivalents now are in excess of $90 million.
Wow.
Net of all capital and operating expenditures from the fourth quarter. For all of you have been saying, Zomedica is going to be liquidating their shares. Zomedica is going to be delisted from the NYSE.
Damn.
All the people, the naysayers, man, they are all over. But guess what?
The bears.
We here have some statements that are going to be, hopefully make them either become bulls from bears. And if they're going to stay bears, again, please get out. Next, on January 12th,
I love the honesty.
The NYSE notified Zomedica that it successfully regained compliance with their standards, and which is going to continue its listing. Because again, some people were saying, "Oh, what if they get out of the NYSE? We're not going to be able to trade the stock." Guys, they're in compliance now. Again, we did see it dip a little under $1, but not worried about it. The CEO is not worried about it. It looks like things are under control. Things are looking good. Again. The big thing here is they're also going to be changing the bonus structure within Zomedica as a company. So all 2021 bonuses will be calculated annually based upon the achievement of Zomedica revenue and cash flow projection achievements. So this change was made to better align bonuses with shareholder interests, you and I who have invested, and value creation of our shareholders. So guys, this is super important. Prior to this, they were just giving people, bonus eligible employees money here and there, but now it's going to be, there's more, it has to do more with the revenue and the cash flow of the company. Two big things that we need to keep in mind. Now, I'm going to read this entire paragraph because every single aspect of this one is super important, guys. For all of you who are anticipating this Trueforma, like myself, holding your shares tight, it's because of that. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm speaking way too quickly, so I need to slow down for the deep breath.
Yeah, he does need. We'll give him time to chill out, but I'm now super curious as to how many shares he has. Maybe it's a massive position, hence to why he's super nervous. If you ever reach out, Mohammed, then let me know. I'm very curious to find out, and I'm just learning more and more about this stock each and every single day as we're doing together now. So let's see.
So we are, of course, as the CEO is saying, approaching our planned March 30th commercial launch of Trueforma. Our point-of-care diagnostic platform. We know that. I did a deep dive on it. Go back and watch it if you need to. Commercialization plans remain on track, and we are beginning to build inventory. They are beginning to build inventory. They have the products in place, guys. They're now starting to rack them up and get them
So
ready
they can
to start
distribute.
selling, build revenue, get cash flow, all the good stuff. As our sales efforts begin, we intend to implement a controlled release phase wherein we slowly begin the sale of TrueForma instrument and at least 3 assays. So again, we talked about the Adreno. There's all the different potentials that I've mentioned in my previous video. So again, they want to start with just 3 assays in a limited geographic area in order to test our distribution system to be sure that it performs as we anticipate these COVID challenge times. Now, Zomedica is a beast of a company. Oftentimes when a company sets out to commercialize a product, they want it to be in the best possible case scenario. Right now with COVID, there's a lot of uncertainty. Yes, the vaccine rollout is here. We are seeing more and more people get vaccinated, but we're still very early on in this process.
Early stages, yeah, that's true.
Speaking, it's been tough. We're still in phase 1A here in the United States. 1A being, again, really only healthcare workers, frontline workers, and long-term care facilities who have residents residing within those get the vaccine. So that means it's still early on in this process. So again, come end of March, end of Q1 pretty much, still might be a little early for, we're still going to probably be in the midst of this pandemic.
And I would say worldwide as well. Worldwide, really, even here in the UK, people are very skeptical. They don't want to go anywhere near that vaccine. Obviously, healthcare workers, key workers, and all of that, they pretty much have to, not have to, but you get the gist, right? If you're in the UK, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen.
As we continue to pursue a limited target market. I love it. I love the fact that they're not trying to rush and throw the TrueForma all over veterinarian offices. Rather, they're going to do it more controlled, slow and steady. Again, what we call a soft launch. And then from there, of course, if things go well, they expand slowly but surely.
Yeah.
So guys, again, I'm very, very excited. So the lessons learned during the COVID impacted period are expected to be invaluable as we proceed into the future. They're launching at a very tough time, but they're going to defeat the odds because I truly believe in this company, guys. Again, I hope you do too. Do your own research. Look into it if you haven't.
You have to do your own research.
We hope to expand our geographic coverage if market conditions justify an expansion. I think this is going to be a no-brainer. Again, don't take my word for it. Look at the product.
Smash that like button if you're finding value in this video already, but I'm finding value because I love people who dig in deep and they show you basically, all right? And this way you're not just stood there or sat there listening to what they think, but there's proof right there. Proof is in the pudding, highlighted in yellow. So it's quite interesting to see that the CEO is mentioning this, and it seems like the future looks bright for them. By the way, as you're down there as well, in the description area, you can join the Discord group. The platform that we use is Trading212. Deposit £1 into the account and you get a free share that's valued up to £100. Okay, you could get that. So all you have to do is sign up using the link in the description down below. But back into the video, it's almost at the end.
What I see with this product here is that a lot of vets are going to say, wow, I want it. A vet will talk to another vet, depending on how their marketing
word of mouth
goes,
and so on.
I think that they're going to do pretty well there. So really, those are the big things that I wanted to cover in this video. I wanted to get this out there to you guys. I'm going to link this directly in my description if you want to read it through in more detail and more thoroughly.
Yes.
Because again, I kind of went over the high points.
I'm going to link in mine as well and read it.
Just something to leave you guys off with. As we often have stated before, protected by approximately 70 issued and pending patents, the TrueForma diagnostic platform uses bulk acoustic wave BAW technology developed by QRVO is a ticker symbol, Corovo, to provide a non-optical and fluorescence-free detection system for use at the point of care. Guys, the technology really excites me. BAW technology, also used in cell phones and the world's most advanced radar and communication systems, is an extremely reliable and precise technology. And the timing aspect of it. I always like point of care tests because how quick they are, guys. So again, that's the biggest thing we need to remember. So I'm not going to drag on this video. For all you bears, as I said at the beginning,
let's see his conclusion.
Please look into these things, read into it, and then make an informed decision before deciding to stray away from Zomedica as a stock, as a company, as a business. For all of you who have invested, congratulations, especially those who started when I started back at the 40 cent marker when I talked about it. If you haven't, I don't think it's too late. I'm not a financial.
It doesn't seem like it's too late, but it's pretty much the end of the video anyways. What I wanted to quickly touch upon is the patent pending that he said. Okay, so it's always good to see that there's patents. So obviously, you know, it goes to that question, what's proprietary about your business and all of that. So they've got 70 issued patents. It says 70 issued. All right, 70 issued and pending patents. The pending part is what sort of got me. So if the 70 issued, well, amongst the 70, there's some that are pending. So therefore, we don't know how many are pending and how many have been issued. It's a bit too vague for me on that one. That's just a tiny bit of something I picked up on. If you're well informed on this, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, but I want you to comment in the comment section right now how many shares you've got of Zomedica, if you have any, or if not, how many are you planning to buy in the future, and if you're a bull or a bear. Let me know that in the comment section down below, and it'll let me know that obviously you've watched the video all the way from the beginning till the end, and you know what I requested from you guys at the end. If you're new to the channel, be sure to click that smash, in fact, don't even click, smash, destroy destroy that subscribe button as well as that like button. It really does help out the channel to go a really long way. And yeah, link is in the description for trading 212. Deposit £1 into the account, get a free share that's valued up to £100, and also the link for the Discord is also in the description box down below. But by watching this video, guys, you did not waste your time. Don't forget to tell your haters to get in line, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Check out that awesome video right there. Subscribe button once more is right there, so hot, so you better click on it.